Good morning to one and all. This is from Raaonline, and today my topic is about maxillary injection techniques. Well, pretty basic topic, but then under local anesthesia, this is a very important topic that you guys need to know to give proper anesthesia, local anesthesia, especially not only just in oral and maxillofacial surgery. In dentistry, any kind of procedure you're going to do to the patient which is painful, that requires a local anesthesia, you need to master these injection techniques. Very important that you master them. Well, let's talk about the mandible later on, but today it is mainly to cover the maxillary local anesthetic procedures and different types of anatomy and the techniques that are involved with the maxilla. When you're talking about the maxilla per se, maxilla per se is quite a soft bone and not very difficult to handle. The cortices are not that bad, and you also have these nerves that are readily accessible, unlike in the mandible. In the mandible, you have the inferior alveolar nerve that enters the mandibular foramen and runs it's entirely in the bone. Whereas in the maxilla, most of these nerves are superficially placed, and henceforth either buccally, which is labially, or palatally, it is very readily accessible. Okay, we are looking at the nasopalatine, which is here. Okay, nasopalatine or the incisive canal that we are often talking about. Okay, and we are looking at the greater palatine and the lesser palatine. These are the major nerves that supply the palate. Okay. Now, palate is not the only thing that we are looking at in a maxilla. We are also looking at the maxillary nerve, which is coming from the foramen rotundum to supply all the branches, all the areas of the maxilla. Okay, how does it go? Where does it go? Now, when we're describing the anatomy of the maxilla, the maxillary nerve, we always talk about in 4 different stages. Okay, within the cranium. It gives meningeal vessels and branches. Then when it goes into the pterygopalatine, this is the pterygopalatine fossa. Now there it divides into its 3 main branches. Okay, the 3 main, it's going to be more of anatomy and then slowly taking you into the injection technique so that you are aware of what injection if I give, where will I produce the anesthesia, the local anesthesia, or in other words, why is my injection not working? What have I done? What should I do